Hi all. So let's try to answer this particular question. Now, if you read this question properly, you'll see कि इसमें तीन concept एक साथ पूछ लिए हैं. Proton, the 19 FNMR spectroscopy question, point group as well as VSEPR. So all these three are asked within the same question, right? So you already know the structure of SFOE. हम बचपन से पढ़ रहे हैं. It is having a seesaw structure, right? So a seesaw structure is going to look like this, and in this one you see that the axial and the equatorial, these two fluorines, these are not going to be the same at minus 98 degrees centigrade. So why the temperature is so low? Because it is mentioning that it is going to be a rigid structure and there is no fluctuality, and that's why the axial and the equatorial, they don't interchange between each other, right? So ऐसे low temperature पे, when the molecule is rigid, you are having different axial and equatorial fluorines which are going to split each other. Sulfur is inactive because its न्यूक्लियर स्पिन इज जीरो. तो हम कैसे स्प्लिट करेंगे? देखो, इट्स गिवन डबलेट ऑफ ट्रिपलेट्स. एक्चुअली इट इज टू ट्रिपलेट्स यू आर गेटिंग. So देखो, there are two actual fluorines. If it is splitting the equatorial ones, it is going to do so by the formula 2ni plus 1, which is going to give you a value of 3. So two actual fluorines are splitting the two equatorial fluorines into a triplet of 1:2:1 intensity, and the same equatorial ones are splitting the actual ones into a triplet of the same intensity. तो इसीलिए doublet of triplet बोला गया है. Now you already know this structure. इसका बस point group find out करना है. So you see that there is a C2 axis passing over here, as well as there are two sigma V planes. Why? Because they contain the C2 axis. The overall point group of the molecule is going to be C2V. Answer is option number D. For more such question and answers, follow me on Rasayan Academy. Have a nice day.